Hey there, thank you for joining me today for a few nice gentle stretch on the mat. Remember, only do what works for your own body. Use the option that is for you. And let's start right away. Let's start with a gentle morning breeze. That's created with our arm. Inhale up, maybe up for you is halfway up, and that is cool. Exhale down. Inhale up, maybe just a little. Whatever works for you, exhale down. Next time you inhale up, just bend the elbow on your exhale. Cactus arm. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up, exhale, cactus arm. Inhale, open the chest, exhale, bring the arms down. Inhale up. Exhale, cactus arm. Nice inhale. Send the elbow back just a little bit to open the chest and exhale down. Inhale up. This time we exhale to the side. Holding one side. Maybe the arm is up. Maybe it's on your hip. Whatever works for you. Push up. Inhale up, exhale, other side. Keep breathing once you're out of breath here. Just keep breathing. Oh, inhale, exhale. Ooh, inhale, exhale. Next time your arms are up, exhale them down to your chest. Ooh. Inhale your arms up, maybe up is just a little bit right now. And exhale the hips to the side, shoulder and your head, and just look around with your head. Yeah, look around, not to your full range of motion here, just a little bit. Ooh, you keep breathing, right? You don't hold your breath. Inhale up, exhale, other side. Keep breathing, of course, look around. Look around, gentle motion for your neck, nice and soft. Ooh, inhale up, exhale to one side. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Maybe inhale up, arms down. Exhale to the side. Inhale up, tall with our body. Exhale to the side. Oh. Now let's get in our butterfly. Only if your feet wants to go there. Don't force your knees to touch the mat. It doesn't have to. It depends on your own flexibility. Mine no longer do that. Eventually they may again, maybe not. It all depends on our own body, the injuries we have lived with, elements. We're all built different. You know your body more than I do, so you do what works for you, right? Maybe holding the ankle. Maybe you're in easy seat, just hold your ankle. Proud peacock, chest out. Knees wants to go down, but not necessarily to touch. So exhale that towards the ground. Feel the nice stretch. Just breathe, dear, breathe. One next inhale, make yourself tall. Exhale. Go towards your feet. Inhale, a little length. Exhale towards your feet. Blow on your toes. Inhale back up. Inhale tall. Exhale, maybe just halfway. Maybe a little further down. Once you're near your toes, just blow on them. Why we're blowing on our toes? You really want to know, you can always ask me in the comment. You don't have to do it like that, of course. One more time. Inhale tall, exhale, blow on your toes. And back up. Nice hug. Nice hug. Hug. You know what else needs to be hugged is our knees. Oh, yeah. After opening our hips like that, round your back, under your lower back, make sure it's nice and rounded. Of course you can. Of course you can. I'm gonna bring my hands behind me, just leaning back. And then I'm gonna do windshield wiper. Just little one. Chook, 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 chook. Yes, back and forth. You can bring your legs for your feet a little forward too if it's more comfortable with you. Just make sure your back is fairly straight. Chest is open. We do our wiper maybe all the way down if it wants to reach. Now I'm involving my hips a little more here to accommodate that big windshield wiper. Maybe you're doing tiny one. And that is cool. It rains different everywhere we go, right? Ah, nice. It rained last night, so the ground's a little bit wet. So bringing one foot in, the other foot is out. I'm just gonna circle my foot right now. Nice little circle. Circle toes away, around towards me, away, around towards me. Maybe reversing that. Doing my wrist at the same time while showing it. And that's all cool. Now, inhale tall, your hips turn them towards the leg, the foot. You want that knee to kind of go down a little bit. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Inhale tall and maybe exhale towards the foot, around your back. Inhale some length. Exhale, relax the body. You feel that in the back of the leg here. Inhale tall, exhale. So when you inhale, you add a little length. You exhale, you relax into your nice little stretch. Here, you can bend the knee, of course. Of course you can bend the knee. My goodness, let's switch side. Ah, we're doing the same thing, so that's gonna be easy on the second side. And I'm just gonna turn my hip. My knee wants to go towards the mat. Turn my hip, shoulder, head. Inhale, exhale. Nose towards the knee, around your back. Inhale some length. Exhale. Inhale some length. Exhale, relax. Maybe bend the knee here, that is fine. Whatever works for you. And slow, 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 let's get back. Let's get that back in our crisscross legs here. The foot that was in the front, I'm moving it in the back this time. You can sit the way you were or just switch your leg for a little bit of something different. And I'm gonna put my hand there, my ankles, my legs. I'm gonna round my back and just hold here so I don't fall back in the wet grass behind me. Oh, nice stretch on the shoulders. And on an inhale, just bring your belly towards me, shoulders back. Feel that nicely in the hip. Anything that hurts, we skip. Exhale, round your back. Inhale forward. Now don't follow me, follow your own breath. If the breath is too much, just remember not to hold it. For a nice little seated cat-cow. Oh, little cat, meow. Little cow, moo. Meow. Sound effect is bonus point. As if I'm rating you. Great thing about those classes, you are not getting rated. It's 100% just for showing up. Yes, just for showing up. Oh my goodness. Little shoulder roll. One more hug, right? One more hug, maybe with a little side to side. Oh, switch your arms. A little side to side. Not going too tight because my microphone's gonna, and we don't need that. Thank you so much for joining me. When you are ready, I'm waiting for you in the next video. Pick something that's fun for you, that complements what you are working on. And until then, I wish you a wonderful rest of the day. I am Anne-Marie with That's Life Yoga. Namaste.